Do you know that Xiaomi has recently stunned the tech world with its latest smartphone, which survived a jaw-dropping 100-foot drop without a single scratch? This incredible feat has drawn parallels to the legendary durability of Nokia phones, which were once famously known for their ability to withstand almost anything. The comparison is not just a testament to Xiaomi's engineering prowess but also a nod to a nostalgic era when phones were built like tanks. With this remarkable achievement, Xiaomi has sparked a debate: is Xiaomi the new Nokia in terms of durability? In an era where smartphones are becoming increasingly fragile, with glass backs and edge-to-edge screens, Xiaomi's latest innovation is a breath of fresh air. This rugged design doesn't come at the cost of aesthetics or functionality. Instead, it blends seamlessly with cutting-edge technology, offering both resilience and performance. It's a testament to how far smartphone technology has come, balancing sleek design with robustness. This development has made consumers and tech enthusiasts alike ponder whether we are witnessing the rise of a new standard in smartphone durability. One fun fact that you must know today is that the iconic Nokia 3310, released in the year 2000, has maintained a cult status for its indestructibility. It was said to survive falls, spills, and even the test of time itself. Fast forward to today, and Xiaomi seems to be channeling that same spirit, echoing Nokia's legacy with its robust engineering. This link between past and present showcases the cyclical nature of technology, where old virtues are rediscovered and reimagined in new products. So, what do you think about this exciting development? Are we witnessing the dawn of a new era where durability becomes a key selling point once again? Could Xiaomi be setting a trend that other smartphone manufacturers will follow, prioritizing durability alongside innovation? Share your thoughts on whether Xiaomi indeed has the potential to be the next Nokia, redefining what it means to be a durable smartphone in today's fast-paced world.